Well, greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I received this Katerk 420-piece rotary toolkit from the company. They want me to check it out for them. So that's what we're going to do today. Just got it in. Let's open this up. There we go. Well, first, here's a list of everything that comes in the box. Cut-off wheel, sanding paper, cut-off wheels, fiberglass. Well, aluminum oxide cut-off wheels. Everything here. I'll post a picture of this right about now, and you can check that out of what does come with it. Usually 420 piece in toolkits means you get the tiny little bits and pieces, but rotary tools, they're basically tiny bits anyway. Comes in its own box here, on carrying case, which is nice. There we go. User manual, you know what we do with those. Out of here. Out of here. Anyway, don't need a user manual for rotary bit set. Okay. Handle, carry it around. And there we go. Release. Release. Open. Oh, there we go. Okay. That keeps everything set in there. I'm sure you can do it without that, but okay, maybe just for shipping, but that's okay. Anyway, here we go. Sorry about sniffling. I am still getting over some crap. Wintertime, love it. Anyway, well, that one came kind of messed up, but it's okay. But hey, it's a piece of cloth for buffing. I don't think that matters, does it? That buffing also awesome. All right, you get all this stuff here. 420 piece, more adapters right there, because your Dremel tool, your rotary tool, may not fit that exactly right. So it comes with the adapters. That is nice. Looks like a cut-off wheel right there. My guess is diamond wheat cut-off wheel. What do you think? But that is really nice. Well, these right here. Yeah, open up. There we go. All your cut-off wheels right here. You get so many of them. I'm not going to run out anytime soon. Oh, they don't unscrew. Just pop it off. That works. Different types. Oh, that's the putty right there. This one in here. Oh, that kind of flew out at me. That's okay. Sanding discs. A whole lot of them. Yeah, they were compressed in there because there's still some in the lid. All right. You never have too much when you need it, right? Let's be careful with this one. Sanding discs. Again. All right. I know you're thinking this might be too much stuff for you, but when you need it, you're going to have it at least. All right. Cutting, buffing. You have your drill bits right here. Tiny ones, larger ones. This is awesome. There we go. Diamond tip bits. Of course, They're called diamond tidbits. I don't know if they have any diamonds in them. If not, they'd be a woman's best friend, right? Oh, yeah, this one. Right there. Whole bunch of stuff. I like it. And then over here I see all these you unscrew and put the discs on. Unscrew that. Two red washer looking things right there. Put the disc on and you're all set with that. That is nice. Hey, you know, if you get this set, it will be a very long time before you run out of something. All these sanding drums right here. They're drums, not discs, I know. Anyway, this is a great set. Price, you'll see the price. I'll have a link in my description. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz.